1901, Quebec had a population of 1,648,898 people. This population consisted mostly of people of French origins, French Canadians. However, there was an increasing number of people of British origin. In 1901, 80% of Quebec's population was of French origins, 18% was of British origin, and only 2% had origin other than French or British. In the early 20th century, immigration skyrocketed. The number of immigrants living in Quebec increasing fivefold between 1901 and 1931. Was it due to a natural increase? In other words, were there more births than deaths? The birth rate in Quebec was indeed very high. This means there were many births and the mortality rate was declining. There were fewer deaths because sanitary conditions had improved and there were fewer epidemics thanks to vaccinations. Overall, there were more births than deaths. For many years, from 1871 to 1931, many Quebecers left the province to work in factories. In New England, in the northeastern United States, Quebec attracted immigrants, people from other countries, especially from the British and the United States. But they were fewer in number than those who were leaving the province. As a result, there were more people who were leaving Quebec than arriving around 1901.